Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com Crowcoin. Take a look at Bitcoin because, guys, right now, Crowcoin is flying. But I want to let you know where I think we could be headed in the short term, so let's hop into this video. So, guys, right now, we are trading at $36,993. We just barely came beneath $37,000 in the past couple minutes. Bitcoin dominance still coming down right now. There's money flowing into these altcoins, guys. I mean, look at Link. Link is up almost 10% on the day. Shiba Inu, about 10% on the day. But Crowcoin, my Crow fam, we are up 18.32% on the day. And we've come down a little bit. Very interesting. Huge day for Crowcoin. If you are a Crowcoin holder, pat yourself on the back because this is fantastic. I mean, seems like just yesterday we were talking about being range bound above 4.5 cents and maybe coming to touch 4.5 cents. And now look at it. We came up to 12 cents, guys. Pretty incredible. Bitcoin dominance at 51.04%. When you exclude stablecoins, it's about 53.04%. It is coming down, like I said. The liquidity is moving into the altcoins. What we do want to see right now, though, is money flowing into the entire space as a whole. We want to see this move continue to the upside. Solana, $57.68. Guys, Solana almost hit $70 today. Pretty ridiculous. We're kind of getting a short little cool-off period here, a little pullback, kind of to be expected. I mean, we've been having a ridiculous rally over the past couple of days. Honestly, the past week or so, it's been crazy. But so over on Bitcoin right now, we're getting a little pullback, but if we can close above $35,000 and continue to close above 35,000. Guys, this is bullish continuation on the higher term time frames. And the higher term time frames, there's a lot more upside, especially if we're closing above 35K. There's a lot more upside. In the short term, if we come down to 35,000, obviously that's coming down a little bit. Maybe even coming out 32,700. I don't think that we could pretty much get there right now. I think that'd be pretty unexpected with momentum we're getting right here. I mean, look at the daily money flow right here. This green wave coming into Bitcoin. That is very, very bullish. Very bullish. And on the higher term time frames, there's much more room to go. There's much more room to go. In the shorter term time frames, I mean, it's a little bit overextended, but as of right now, for Bitcoin, the higher term time frames are what we should be really paying attention to. Calling short term price action is very, very difficult. It's pure speculation. But in the higher term time frames, that's what we should be focusing on. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now. And guys, we've got a lot more room to the upside in the higher term time frames. There's lots of bullish formations panning out right now. We need to see, as long as we don't see closes below 35,000 before the weekly close, which is in a day and 3 hours, I'm very bullish here in the short term. I'm very bullish. So hopefully we close above it. And right now, like I said, we're getting a little bit of a cool off, but guys, we're sitting at a nice $37,000. Very, very nice. So, what you guys have been waiting for, Crowcoin. Man, look at that move. Look at that move. I can't even show it all on the screen. Not at once. That's pretty crazy and incredible. But guys, like I said, it seems like just like yesterday, we were talking about being down here and saying if Bitcoin decides to spill over or get that capitulation before I move to the upside, we'll probably come and test the 4.5 cents. And we got so close, so close, and then wham, just like that, wham. Bitcoin decided to come to the party. BlackRock started talking about Bitcoin spot ETFs. And now we're getting Ethereum spot ETF talk. And what do you know, guys? Crowcoin is absolutely tearing. I mean, just today, this candle, we peaked out at, including the wick, a 43% gain. Now, granted, this is on Coinbase, and their liquidity is a little bit lower for Crowcoin. So it didn't necessarily come up that high, but we did get to about 12 cents. We did get to about 12 cents, about a 30% move, which is absolutely fantastic, guys. Usually, I've been talking about this for the past 8 months, maybe the past year on this channel, guys. If you've been around, you'll know when I say it. Crowcoin is it moves in a very strange way. Obviously, it moves when Bitcoin gets an influx of money flow, And when we start to trade sideways and the liquidity flows out of Bitcoin into the altcoins, obviously that's how every single altcoin works. However, it is somewhat of a lagger. It lags behind, and then out of nowhere, the moves are extremely volatile. Extremely volatile. At a snap of a finger, it goes up 50% in a day. And it's not like over on Solana when you see these moves where you zigzag up and you stair step up. Crocoin definitely tends to just be dead and then wham. It's just a reoccurring theme, especially in the previous bull market when everything was ripping and everything was going really, really just rallying super hard. Crocoin was lagging, and then out of nowhere, it went from 20 cents to $1 in the span of, I want to say, 2 weeks, something like that. It went from like 25 to 50 cents in a couple days, and then after the next week, it was $1. It was absolutely incredible. And I think that something like that could play out again. The real question is, are we going to continue this move right now, or do we need to cool off? And I do think in the short term, we probably should cool off. We probably should cool off. However, I'm not going to be a bear here because on the higher term time frames, things are looking very good. There's lots of potential to move to the upside. We are not topping out. We're not oversold in the higher term time frames. It looks very good, guys. So be patient. Guys, if you like this type of content and you're part of the Crow fam, pat yourself on the back, like this video, subscribe to the channel. It's a very, very nice time right now. We want to see this continuation. We want to see Bitcoin continue to close over 35,000. But honestly, closing over 37,000 that would be even better. That would be even better. I think there's a lot more of this rally to come. But in the short term, do not be surprised if we get a little bit of a shakeout, a little bit of a pullback. I mean, Crocoin, for example, we came up super high. I mean, I wouldn't even call that a pullback, really. But coming up to about 12 cents and then coming back down to 10 cents, it's pretty aggressive. But all in all, if you've been a part of this move, that's nothing. That's nothing. And guys, it's just getting started. It's just getting started. If you're here for the long haul, we're just getting started. This bull market may not even have begun. This may be just the beginning of the bull market. Time will tell. We may have a couple more shakeouts, but be patient, guys. Be patient. Please go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. Very, very active over there. Super exciting times. The volatility has finally come back to the crypto space. Very, very fun. Solana ripping, Crocoin ripping, all these other altcoins doing so well. It's awesome. It's fun. There's greed. Be careful. You know, over on Twitter, I said, I'm not gonna find it, but I said that, you know, bull markets are just as hard as bear markets. Remember that, guys. But please like this video, subscribe to the channel. That's all I got for you. Also, feel free to check out the description box below. We have referral links to Femex, which is a $4,100 sign-up bonus, which is awesome. BitGet, $8,000 sign-up bonus. I have referral links with them. Just letting you know. If you want to make some free money, those exchanges want to give away some money now because there's hype coming back to the space. There's money to be made. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.